So I just removed my original thermostat, which is a 5-wire system, which had the blue wire tied off. So that wasn't actually plugged in. So this is the original one, and you might have something similar. And I've actually installed the NEST thermostat and put all the, connected all the wires rather, including the blue one, which goes into the C terminal. When I plug it in, however, I get an error message, an e73 error message, that says it's not detecting any power in the RC terminal. What you have to do to fix that, it's actually very simple. You have to go into your furnace room. I already did this, so I pulled off the control panel, and I'll actually show you where I've installed a NEST thermostat in the past and what I've had to do. So here's the one that actually already works, and it took me a while to actually figure this out. I had to call tech support, and days later I was able to figure out that I had to connect this blue wire right here in order to get it to work. So the blue wire was hooked up at the thermostat, as you saw, and what you probably have is something like this where the blue wire is tied off, right? So I just installed 2 more NEST thermostats, and I'd forgotten that I had to do this, connect this blue wire, and I was getting the error code E73 for both of them, and it said that it wasn't detecting power. So once I connect these 2 blue wires, so this one here and this one, where is it? This one right here, 100% confident power is gonna be back on, and I should be able to get through the issue, because that's what happened the first time. And I just noticed right here that I connected this blue wire here. Hope that works for you. Bye.